Well, we need to talk about this. Anthropic is going pretty hard into the design space right now and competing with giants like Figma, Adobe, and Canva with their latest products, Claude Design. And they actually released it yesterday with this banger promo video that people were saying it was built using Claude. It would be interesting if it is, but Claude Design is just crazy. And in their new article where they introduced the Claude Design by Anthropic, and in their new article in here introducing Claude Design by Anthropic Labs, they specifically mentioned that Claude Design is powered by our most capable vision model, their newest model, Opus 4.7. And if you look at Opus 4.7 benchmarks in here compared to, for example, Opus 4.6 and GPT 5.4, if we go all the way down in here, there's this visual reasoning, which is like the entirety of what Claude Design is built on top of, where it could, read screenshots and reason and actually build stuff like that. It is, compared to, for example, 4.6, it's like 82%, while this one is just like 69%. The other one is a big jump as well with tools, like 91% compared to 84%. And it's pretty close to Mythos. So Mythos, this is like their unreleased Mythos preview in here, and it's like 93%, while this one is 91%. And as Anthropic is claiming in here, they're basically telling you that you could build using Claude Design, you can build realistic prototypes, basically like what you could usually do in Lovable or V0 or something like maybe Replit, but Replit is more of a bigger thing. But they're going into this word of like Lovable prototypes, sort of AI tools, and you can also boost something like product wireframes and mockups. And this is basically what most people use Figma nowadays, or the AI features that are baked into Figma for building such things, especially like wireframes. If you want to do something real quick and you want to just like chat with AI and let it do it for you, I think now a lot of people, including me, are basically going to use this wireframes feature by AI, quick iterations, especially because I'm not a designer. So I don't know, I can't speak for designers, but I've been using Figma for years, and I'm afraid I'm probably just going to use Claude Design a little more because I'm more lean toward AIs, and I don't want to spend like entire day trying to design something. And I do not like the AI features of Figma. They are kind of like sloppy, and they don't deliver what they should deliver pretty much. You can also do like pitch decks and presentations. I think this is a very big one. I have yet to try this one, but I believe this is going to be absolutely phenomenal. And marketing materials and frontier design in here, like they're claiming also like you can do shaders, 3D. So the first thing you're going to see when you actually start going to claude.ai/design, you're going to basically see like a really nice animation. You just click sign up. You must be already having like a subscription. So it's available pretty much for all tiers, including like the Pro, which most people do have. And once you land in here, you can just like choose between a prototype, a slide deck, a front template. In here, you can choose it from a template or other. And technically, just like, whatever you choose in here, you're going to basically be able to mix and match later on once you create the projects or start working on the projects. So for me, I already created a bunch of things in here, and I created, for example, this landing page. The interesting part in here is like I already have the landing page on Figma. So this is like the landing page already laid out, fully designed. It's I didn't design this landing page. I just got it from the Figma community. So thank you guys for that. But it's a pretty well made landing page. It doesn't look like any AI slop. It has pretty nice, interesting design. It's pretty simple. Also has like all the components, and it has all the variants from like mobile. Has like an about us page. It has about us mobile services, plenty of different pages. Okay, so what I did in here, I went to Claude Design, and Claude Design actually allows you to import a Figma, like a Fig file, which you can just go ahead inside of Figma and export your project as a .fig file, and just paste it inside of Claude Design in here and tell it to replicate this or create a design system from it, which basically what I did. So if I go to this landing page, it's going to open up for me. So what I did in here, if you can clearly see, from me in here, I said create a design system to match exactly my Figma landing design. And I basically just like gave it this positivist landing page design.fig, and hallelujah. And it basically did it. So if you look at the right-hand side in here, this is actually the design system it put for me, just starting from the Figma design. Like in terms of colors, there's typography, there's buttons, cards, form, spacing, and like red eye. And you can also chat with this, and you can add more. You could basically like chat with it to create your design system, which is always like, it's been a hurdle for me to create a design system. Always. I'm not a big fan of creating design systems because it's like a huge repetitive process that I'm not a big fan of, maybe because I'm not a designer. But I think like for me, this is phenomenal. I just want to give it a screenshot of like a website or a design that I like, and I want to create a design system for it, and I want to copy it inside of my webpage or inside of my new app, and I you know, like chat with it to alter some stuff or add my own touch. And I believe this is an absolutely amazing tool for that, because you can clearly see in here, like literally one shot of this. I literally just like submitted one prompt and it did that. Like you can clearly see the history in here just by giving it my Figma thing, and clearly see in here everything works. It got everything right, like the typography in here. It got basically the fonts. So like first impression from a research preview, I think this is pretty neat. The other twist I did is I went ahead and actually gave it a screenshot of like a new application I'm working on, and I just pasted the screenshot of the landing page that it's currently in progress and working on. I didn't do any design on that page. I just like, you know, asked Claude Code to vibe code it, and I added a lot of like creative touches. But the point is, I just gave it the screenshots and it said create a design system for my already existing landing page design that I attached on the screenshot. So that's all I did, just a screenshot, pretty much nothing else. I described literally nothing else, and that actually showcases and tells you how capable is the Opus 4.7 like visual capabilities, or the visual benchmarks. They are pretty true, because when looking at this, it's pretty phenomenal. If I go ahead and do a full screen presentation, all I asked it about is actually to give me like three components, like three most important components, like buttons, inputs, and cards. And it did this really well, like compared to my original landing page design. It is absolutely phenomenal. Like you see hover, focus, disabled, plenty of cool stuff in here. And you literally like just like, it matched everything. I didn't even give it the hover effect. It actually matched it. So I wonder how it did actually guess that. Even for cards, I didn't even design cards just yet, but actually matching the aesthetic and the overall design, which is something I really appreciate. I'm not a designer, and I already love this being done for me in a very creative way. And I can, you know, it just gives me space to add my creative touch and make something cool. So yeah. And if I go to my website and here, my application docs.so, you can clearly tell that this, or what Figma came up with, it kind of like matched like 90% of it. So yeah. And if you're interested to check out their, you know, own examples, what they built, you can go to their examples. They built pretty neat stuff. So that's why I'm worried about like something, you know, like Lovable or V0, where, you know, they're basically tools for creating such prototypes. And now Claude is entering the game. And as we all know, because Lovable is just like a harness. So what it does is basically it uses Opus 4.7, 4.6 through the API to allow users to create those prototypes. So the engine, the mind behind it is actually Anthropic's model, right? Because it's Opus 4.7. Now, because Anthropic controls that, it could literally just like make the model better at their own product or something of that sort to stand out versus the competition, which is something very scary. And I think they would do that, especially like, you know, they would offer or use a non-nerfed model for their own Claude Design kind of products, and just they could provide a nerfed model for other, or through the API for some providers or for some users like that, which it could literally just change everything. So that's why I'm super worried. And I'm actually really excited as well to see what the future holds for us and for fellow designers. So if you're a designer, let me know what you guys think about this, because I'm pretty sure it is a crazy time to live in, and there are many things happening. And with models like 4.7 and maybe Claude Mythos are like dropping, and they are getting way much better. I mean, yeah, things are getting a little scary, or maybe a lot scary. And as they were saying before, they could do shaders, and that's exactly what they were meaning by shaders. So this was built using Claude, like a shaders wallpaper. you can clearly tell how well made that is, like liquid chrome or gravity cards, like interactive. There are like mesh grading in here. I don't know why it's not loading. It was loading for me before, but yeah, look at that, man. And my favorite part is that you can build like animations and actual video animations using Claude Design. So this animation built with Claude Design, it's like a video, right? And you see Earth, it's giving you these nice illustrations, this really beautiful animations, like 30 Earths fits between us and the moon, maybe, or is that like the sun? But you got my point. Yeah. Oh yeah, between the sun, that would make sense. 8 minutes for sunlight, stuff like that. Yeah, I would watch something like this. I know it's not like professional video that you would anticipate from like a professional studio or professional animation studio, but remember, this was one-shotted probably, or like 2 or 3 prompts, and like $5 or $10, maybe even less, a few cents. But yeah, things are evolving, and I'm worried about us guys. So yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was, my video, my sort of reaction and thoughts about the new Claude Design, and yeah, hope to see better design stuff in the future as well. So let's see what Anthropic releases next week. I mean, they tend to release a lot of stuff nowadays. I think they're using some AGI to do so. Anyway, see you guys hopefully in the next one.